Hello guys, welcome back to the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up V2Box VPN. So the first thing you have to do is open up your Play Store or Apple Store and search for V2Box, and you're going to see this one right here. And all you need to do is click on the install button to install the app, and once it's installed, you click on open up and you're going to see this. You will have to accept and allow notification, and that's from there. And the next thing you have to do is click on connect to actually connect to start using it. Then you click on config and you click on the three horizontal lines you can see right there. You click on confirm, click on plus sign to actually add a manual configuration. You can add your Trojan or anyone, add the email, the remark, the address. So this is actually how to use, and you can also subscribe to add subscription to it as well. You can just look for the remark, put the URL, and add the subscription to it. So, and you can also take pictures, record, write of it. So this is actually how to set up the V2Box VPN. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.